Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable flip to silence incoming calls on your Redmi 14C. So this feature basically allows you to silence incoming calls by simply flipping your phone and putting it on a flat surface. So to enable this feature, all you have to do is open the phone application on your device. And then within the phone app, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then select the settings from the menu that appears. Now within the settings, scroll down to the bottom until you find the flip to silence option. Tap on it. And then you should see this option to flip to silence. So to silence an incoming call, place your device face down on a flat surface. So tap on the toggle switch icon and now you have enabled the flip to silence incoming calls on your Redmi 14C. So whenever you receive an incoming call, all you have to do is just flip and that will silence that incoming call. So that's basically it on how to enable the flip to silence incoming calls on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.